Today is an exciting day. For those who hadn't seen or don't remember, I wanted to build a twin screw vise that traveled faster than the chain coupled vices that really take a long time to open and close. And now I had shown a vise previously on this channel, didn't give a lot of details. I said it still needed some work. I was going to go refine the design and put together another one to see if it would work. I made those changes, some different gear ratios, some other tweaks to get the costs down without losing performance. And it is working great. This thing, I believe it's ready to sell. It's just really smooth. The transition to the fast speed is really easy. That is smooth. That was a problem with the old one. Because of the gear ratios and some things, the fast speed was sticky. So it wasn't quite good enough to sell, but this is just working great. So I'm super excited about this. I've still got a ton of work to do. My plan is to do a Kickstarter. To do some, or maybe not a Kickstarter per se, but some kind of pre-sale where I offer it to the market at a discount and take that money and make an initial purchase. And I need to sell quite a few of these if I'm going to be able to kick it off. I can't just buy 20 or 30 vices. If I did that, the manufacturing costs like triple and I would be losing money on it. I need to place a big order to get those economies of scale and actually make it viable. So I'm going to need to sell several hundred of these in order to kick it off. Otherwise, I just won't be able to do it. I'm not in a position to go get a bank loan and take on a bunch of debt and bet the farm on selling all these. I need the assurance of a successful pre-sale to go forward. And that means that I need to market and really think about this launch and make the most out of it so that I can hit those targets. So certainly more to come on this. Hope you find it interesting. I do have 9 more of these vices that I'd like to get in the hands of some people that can help show it off. So I'll be working on that as well as putting together a website and all that stuff. So I'll be working on that as well as putting together a website and all that kind of back-end stuff that needs to happen. I do have a name for it, as you probably saw in the title of this video. I'm calling it the Twin Turbo Vise, so play on twin screw vise and twin turbo because it's fast. And also I thought borrowing a term from the automobile industry for a vise that has gears and a transmission made a certain sort of sense. So I like the name. Twin Turbo Vise, logo pending. I'm super excited about this. Give it a share, give it a like, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you next time.